Good morning, all. Let us see the next example of curve tracing in polar form. So, trace the curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. So, symmetry we have to check. Put theta equal to minus theta. So, cos of minus 2 theta. So, use cos of minus theta is cos theta. So, cos of minus 2 theta is cos 2 theta. Hence, we get the original equation r square equal to a square cos 2 theta after replacing theta by minus theta. Hence, the symmetry is about initial line. Then put theta equal to pi minus theta. So in this example, if cos theta, the example contains only cos theta angle, then the symmetry we get as a to the initial line. And if the example contains sin theta only, then we get the symmetry about perpendicular line. But this example contains cos 2 theta, the angle is cos 2 theta. Hence we have to check all these values, all these conditions. So put theta equal to pi minus theta. So r square equal to a square into cos 2 into pi minus theta is 2 pi minus 2 theta. So a square into cos 2 pi minus 2 theta is cos 2 theta. So here you can use the calci for having cos 2 pi minus 2 theta. So on calci you can remember the formula, that the formula is cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta. Or you can use the calci particularly for cos 2 pi minus, instead of 2 theta you can take pi by 3, and if this value will equal to cos pi by 3, then we can say that cos 2 pi minus theta equal to cos theta. So on calci you can check for the particular example, and we can remember the formula. So cos 2 pi minus theta is cos 2 theta, cos theta. So cos 2 pi minus 2 theta is cos 2 theta. So here a square cos 2 theta. So we get the original equation. Hence the symmetry is about perpendicular line also, initial line and perpendicular both. Then equation contains the even power of y. Hence the symmetry is about pole also. Now tangent through pole. So put r equal to 0. So we get a square cos 2 theta equal to 0. That is cos 2 theta equal to 0. 2 theta equal to cos inverse 0. So cos inverse 0 is pi by 2. So from this theta equal to pi by 4. So theta equal to 45. This is your equation of tangent passing through the pole. So the curve is passing through the pole, and theta equal to pi by 4 is your equation of tangent. Then find the table. R theta table we have to prepare. So for that the example contains r square equal to, hence from that take r equal to, because the table contains r value. So r equal to, take the square root on both sides, r equal to a square root of cos 2 theta. So now put one by one values, as the symmetry is about initial line, perpendicular line and about pole. That is all the, for all the points the symmetry is there. So by the rule we have to take the if symmetry is about all the points, so we have to take the angle theta equal to 0 to 180. So take 0 to 180 angle, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Put the values of theta here, we get, and write this a value as it is, and on calci take the square root of. So square root sign is there, square root of cos 2 into theta. So theta is, first put 0, so cos 0 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, so we get r equal to a. Then 30, so 2 into 30 is, you can take directly, no need to type here 2 theta. So 2 into 30 is 60, sorry, square root of cos 2 into 30, that is 60, bracket complete. So 0.71 a. So in this way you can put this, all these value. So cos 45 we get r equal to 0. So cos for 60 what happened, 60 means 60 into 2, 120. So there is a maths error, or if you get this error indication or error sign, then we don't get any r value, so dash that point. So we don't get any point, or we can't plot the point at 60 line, theta equal to 60 line. Again you can put 90, 120, we get same error. So dash 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 we have to write. Then 150 we will get 0.71, again 180 we will get a. So this is the table. So in this highest value is a, so take a equal to up to 6 centimeter we have to take the distance. So take a equal to 60 mm. So using 60 into 0.78, 43 mm, 0, 43 mm and 60 mm. So plot these points in this way. Now tangent through other than pole. So take derivative on both sides. So r square derivative with respect to theta. R derivative with respect to theta is dr by d theta. R derivative with respect to r is 1. But r square derivative with respect to r theta is what? So this type of partial derivative we have seen in second chapter. So we have to use b square formula. B square derivative is 2b derivative of b. So r square derivative is 2r. Derivative of b means derivative of r with respect to theta, that is dr by d theta. So r square derivative is 2r and r derivative with respect to theta is dr by d theta. Use b square formula. Then a square as it is, cos 2 theta derivative is, we have to use cos b formula. Cos b derivative is minus sin b into derivative of b. So cos 2 theta derivative is minus sin 2 theta minus sin b into derivative of b. Derivative of 2 theta is, with respect to theta is 2. So dr by d theta equal to minus 2a square sin 2 theta upon 2r. Put r value a square root of, or you can put r value in further steps. So this is minus a square sin 2 theta upon r, 2 get cancelled. Then d theta by dr means its reciprocal, r upon minus a square sin 2 theta. We want tan phi value, tan phi equal to r d theta by dr. So r into d theta by dr is r square upon, put the value of d theta by dr here. So r square upon minus a square sin 2 theta. R square value is a square cos 2 theta. From the given example, a square cos 2 theta upon this. So tan phi is equal to minus cos by sin is cot 2 theta. So put, so here, now on calci there is a cot is not there. We can see sin, cos, tan only. So if there is a, if cot is not on this calci, so you can use directly this, or you can use cot, instead of cot you can use 1 upon minus 1 upon tan 2 theta, and tan is there, tan is there. So 1 upon tan 2 theta means directly you can put the value 2 theta value here in bracket. So here the cot value or cot word is not on the calci, hence instead of cot use minus 1 upon tan 2 theta on calci. So put theta value here, theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi, 1 by 1 values from this table we have to put in this tan phi value. So for theta equal to 0 we get tan phi equal to infinity on calci. So we get the tangent, equation of tangent perpendicular. If tan phi is infinity, equation of tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at theta equal to 0, the r value is a. So the point is a0. So here putting theta equal to 0 we get equation of tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at a0. Then put theta equal to pi here. So if this is important, that if you type theta equal to pi, here pi is notation, shift and pi, you will get pi notation. But if you use the angle in radian, then calci must be in radian setting. And if you use theta equal to pi means 180, that is the degree angle, then calci must be in degree notation. So this is in the degree setting, so use, instead of this you can use 180. So by putting theta equal to 180, so if your degree, this is important, if you type 180 degree, then on calci degree setting should be there. If you type pi, which is the angle in radian. So calci must be in the radian setting. So put 180, then tan phi is infinity we get. So the equation of tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at theta equal to pi, r is a, so at the point a pi. So now plot the points. So at 0, 60 mm. So theta equal to 0, 60 mm. So this is your A0 point. Then at 30, 43 mm. 30, 43 mm. 45, 0. At 45 line, 0. So join these points. This is the curve. Then on 90, on 60 we don't get the point, on 90 we don't get the point, on 120 we don't get the point, on 150 it is this, plot the point, then on 180 this is the point. So from this point we join this part. Now we will get these 2 points, so again join these 2 points. So we will have this type of curve, this and this. So as symmetry is about x-axis, so we have to join this part also, lower part also. So you can see the symmetry about x-axis also, symmetry about y-axis also, symmetry about pole also. So all the symmetric conditions are satisfied. So the upper part we have joined by plotting the points, and the lower part we have joined by the symmetric condition, by using that symmetric condition. So here the tangents are, tangent is A0 radius vector. A0 radius vector is this. So the tangent is perpendicular to this radius vector. So this is your tangent. So curve should be in the smooth curve, should be there at this tangent. Then tangent is at a pi. A pi is this point. So this is your tangent and this is your radius vector of this point a pi. So this is your tangent. So smooth curve should be there here. So here smooth curve should be there because this is your tangent. This is your tangent. So smooth curve should be there. Smooth curve. Then at theta equal to 45 also, tan phi we will get 0. So equation of tangent parallel to radius vector at 0, 45. So 0, 45 at 0, 45 point means at 45 line the distance is 0. The distance is 0. That is your origin point. So the at theta equal to 45 line the tangent is parallel, means at this point on this theta equal to 45, on this line theta equal to 45 line, the tangent is parallel to radius vector. Here we can't get any radius vector because the distance is radius vector is 0. You can see here this is your radius vector at this point, but the point is itself is a origin. 0, 45 means on 45 line the distance is 0, on 45 line the distance is 0. So 0 is the radius vector. So at this point the tangent is parallel, that is the 45 line itself is a tangent. So hence this curve should be smooth, not this curve exceed this 45 line. That is, this is your 45 line. The curve should not be like this because this 45 line is your tangent line. Because at this 0, 0 point on this, at this 0, 0, 0, 45 line means this point. 0, 45 point means this point. And theta equal to 45 line means this point. So on this theta equal to 45 line, the tangent is parallel passing through this point and parallel to the radius vector. So radius vector we can't get here. So at this point on this theta equal to 45 line, the tangent is parallel means this theta equal to 45 line itself is a tangent. So hence there is a smooth curve. This is your tangent at this point. Hence there is a curve like this. This curve should be in the smooth position. So this can't exceed the curve. This type of curve is not there because this is your tangent. Hence, we have to draw the curve is like touches to this 45 line. This is correct. This is correct curve and this is wrong. Okay. Because theta equal to 45 line is a tangent parallel to the theta equal to 45 line. Hence, this curve should not exceed this 45 line because this is your tangent. So there is a touches the line, touches the 45 line. Hence, this is your correct curve. Now the next curve is r square equal to a square sine theta. So symmetry even power of r, so symmetry about the pole. So by putting theta equal to, so here we can't get the condition like put theta equal to minus theta. So r square equal to a square sine 2 into minus theta. So a square into sine of minus 2 theta. So sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus 2 theta. It is minus a square sine 2 theta. So this is not the original equation. So symmetry is not about initial line. Then put theta equal to pi minus theta. Sine of 2 pi minus 2 theta is, we can check on the calci that put sine of 2 pi minus, as the pi is in radian, so set the calci in, or you can take sine 360. 2 pi means 360. So set as your calci, if your calci is in degree, then take degree angle. If your calci is in radian, then take the radian setting or radian angle. So here to prepare the table, we have to set the table in set the calci in degree mode. So for degree, so put 2 pi means 360 minus 60. So what is the value of this? So sine 60 or minus sine 60. If we get this, then we can say that sine 360 means sine 2 pi minus theta is sine theta. So we can write this. So if we get this, sine 360 minus 60 value is same as minus sine 60 value, then we can write sine 2 pi minus theta is minus sine 2 theta. So here we get there is another formula sine n pi minus theta. So minus 1 raised to n plus 1 minus 1 raised to 2 pi means n value is 2 plus 1 3 sine theta. So we get minus sine theta. So this is the another formula. So you can remember this, or you can use the calci and check whether sine 2 pi means 360 minus 60 is same as sine 60 or minus sine 60. So this is minus sine 60 is correct. And you can generalize the formula. This is the formula we have to use in engineering mathematics 3, that is in second year. So no need to remember this. You can remember this by using calci. So here we get sine 2 pi minus 2 theta is minus sine 2 theta. By checking, sine 360 minus 60 is minus sine 60. So not the original equation we get, hence not the symmetry about perpendicular line. So now the last is even power of r, so symmetry is about pole only. So if the symmetry is about pole, we have to take the angle from 0 to 180. So tangent through pole, so put r equal to 0, so a square sine 2 theta equal to 0, sine 2 theta equal to 0, 2 theta equal to 0, 2 theta equal to sine inverse 0, sine inverse 0 is 0, so theta equal to 0. So curve is passing through the pole and theta equal to 0 is your equation of tangent. Then table, for table we want the r value, so take the square root on both sides, r equal to a into square root of sine 2 theta. So put theta equal to here, so on calci square root of sine. 2 theta means sine 0 is 0. So we get r equal to sine 30 means put theta equal to 30 here. So sine 60. Directly you can put 60. 0.93. A write as it is. 45 into 2 means 90. 1. That is 1 into A. 60 means 60 into 2, 120. You can do the calculation in this way also. 0.93. A. For 90, that is 180. Theta is 90, so 90 into 2, 180. 0. For 120, 120 into 2, 240. Maths error. So for 120, 150 and 180, we get the maths error. That is, we don't get the points. So these are the points. So highest distance is A. So take this as a 60 mm. So 60 mm is your value of A. Put A equal to 60 mm here. We get 56 mm 0, 56 mm 0. So plot these points. Now tangent. For tangent, take the derivative on both sides. So r square derivative by using b squared formula. 2b into derivative of b. So 2r into derivative of r with respect to theta. Dr by d theta equal to a square as it is. Sin theta by using sin b formula. Sin b derivative is cos b into derivative of b. So sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2 theta derivative is 2. So dr by d theta is equal to a square, 2a square, 2 get cancelled, a square cos 2 theta upon r. So tan phi we want tan phi equal to r d theta by dr. So r means r into d theta by dr means it's a reciprocal. R into r upon a square by cos 2 theta, that is r square upon a square cos 2 theta. Put the value of r square here. A square sin 2 theta upon a square cos 2 theta, that is tan phi we get tan 2 theta. Now put the values of these angles one by one here. So put theta equal to 0, we get tan phi equal to 0. So the equation of tangent parallel to the radius vector. If tan phi is 0, then parallel. Tan phi is infinity, then perpendicular. Tan phi equation of tangent parallel to radius vector at 0, 0 point. Put theta equal to 45. We get tan phi infinity, that is equation of tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at 45. The distance is a. So the point is a 45. Again put 90. For theta equal to 90, we get tan phi is 0. These are the degree angles 0, 45, 90. Hence set the calcium in degree mode. So tan phi is 0. So equation of tangent parallel to the radius vector at 90. R distance is 0. So 0, 90. Now plot the graph. Now here 0, 56, 60 mm and again 0, 56, 60 mm. On 0 it is 0, then 30 it is 60 mm. 30 it is 56 mm. 56 mm. On 45 it is 60 mm. On 60 line it is 56 mm. On 90 it is 0 mm. So join these points in this way. 1, 2, 3, again 0. So we will get the loop in the first quadrant only. Now the tangents are tangent parallel to the radius vector at 0, 0. 0, 0 means origin. Tangent parallel to the radius vector at 0, 0 at theta equal to 0 line. At theta equal to 0 means positive x-axis. At this point, tangent is parallel to this theta equal to 0 line. That is your positive x-axis is your tangent. So the curve should be in this smooth. The curve should be smooth here in this way because x-axis is tangent. Theta equal to 0 line means x-axis. So at x-axis the tangent is parallel to 0, 0 point. Tangent is parallel to the radius vector at 0, 0 point. So at 0, 0 point we can't get radius vector, but that tangent is parallel to theta equal to parallel, and that tangent is on theta equal to 0 line. Hence positive x-axis is your tangent. So here positive x-axis is a tangent. Then at 45, A45 tangent is perpendicular. So at A45, so this is your A45. At A45 the radius vector is this. Here the radius vector is exist. This is your distance, that is radius vector. And to this radius vector the tangent is perpendicular. at this point. So this is your tangent. So the curve should be smooth at this point. Smooth curve should be there. Then at 90, at 0, 90, the tangent is parallel. So at theta equal to 90, that is positive x-axis. Positive y-axis. So 0, 90 point means origin point. So at this origin point, we get the tangent parallel to the radius vector at this point. So on this theta equal to 90 line, straight line, that is positive y-axis, on this y-axis, at this point the tangent is parallel, means y-axis itself is at your tangent. So this is your tangent. So positive y-axis is your tangent. This meaning is positive y-axis. Because 0, 90, at this point 0, 90, we can't get radius vector. 0, 90 means on 90 line, the distance is 0, that is origin point. So at origin point, we can't get the radius vector. Hence, on this theta equal to 90 line, that is positive y-axis itself is a tangent. So at this tangent, this curve should be smooth. That is in this way. The curve should be smooth because this is your tangent. This is your tangent, so curve should be smooth. This is your tangent, so curve should be smooth. So we get a loop. So now, by the symmetry, if the symmetry is about x-axis, positive x-axis or initial line, then the upper side curve and lower side should be same. If the symmetry is about perpendicular line, then left side curve and right side curve should be same. So how to draw the curve, that symmetry about pole? So it is practically it is not possible. So we have to check the other cases. Symmetry about pole, only one condition is we get in this example. But symmetry about pole means practically it is not possible to draw the curve. So we have to check the other curves. If we the loop is in the first quadrant, if we draw the loop in the second quadrant, then we get the symmetry about y-axis, which is not possible. So loop is not in the second quadrant. If we take the curve, if we draw that loop in this fourth quadrant, then we will get the symmetry about x-axis, and which is not possible because we are not we didn't get that symmetricness. That is, this example is not, or this curve is not symmetric about x-axis. So the loop is not in the fourth quadrant. So the remaining loop will be in the third quadrant only. Hence, we have to draw the loop in the third quadrant. So by drawing these opposite lines, so this line, this 45 line is this 60 line is this, and nominal plot these points and draw the loop. So this is your graph. Our next example is r square equal to a square sec 2 theta. So here for sake of simple calculation, take this sec 2 theta as reciprocal. So r square equal to a square upon cos 2 theta. Now check the first condition, symmetry. Take this simplification or simplified equation instead of this sec. So trace the curve r square equal to a square sec 2 theta means r square equal to a square upon cos 2 theta. Or you may ask in exam that r square cos 2 theta equal to a square, that is r square equal to a square upon cos 2 theta. So now symmetry, put theta equal to minus theta, we get the same equation. So symmetry is about initial line. If we put theta equal to pi minus theta, so we get the a square upon cos 2 pi minus 2 theta. So cos 2 pi minus 2 theta is cos 2 theta. This calculation we have seen in previous example, same calculation. So see that calculation. So symmetry is about perpendicular line, even power of y. So symmetry about the pole. So all the powers, all the symmetric conditions are satisfied. Then next is put r equal to tangent through pole. So put r equal to 0. So 0 equal to a square by cos 2 theta. So a square equal to 0. That is, we can't get theta equal to value. Hence there is a hence curve is not passing through pole, and we can't get the tangent through pole. Next is table. So for that we want r. So take the square root on both sides. R equal to A upon square root of cos 2 theta. Now symmetry is about all the points. So we have to take the angle 0 to 180. So these are your angles. So put the angle here. So write this A as it is. A, and do the calculation on calci that 1 upon square root cos. Now put 2 into 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, so A upon root 1 is A. Then put theta equal to 30, that is 60. 1.41 into A. Theta equal to 45 into 2, 90. Cos 90 is 0, so A upon 0 is infinity. So we can't get the point. On 60 we get maths error on calci. We can't get the point. Error. On 150 we get the point 1.41a. Again for 180, that is cos 360, we get the A. Then tangent through other than pole. So for that, r square equal to a square sec 2 theta. Directly you can take this, because for preparing the table, that is this r theta table, we are typing cos directly on this calci. But if you take this sec directly, the sec is not there on this calci. Hence we convert this sec into cos, because we have to prepare this table. And to prepare means we use the calci. On calci there is no sec option. So for that we convert this sec to cos. But now to find the tangent through other than pole, we can use directly this equation in the form of sec. So here r square derivative is 2r dr by d theta equal to a square. Sec theta derivative is sec x, derivative is sec x tan x. So we have to use sec b formula. Sec x derivative is sec x tan x. Sec b derivative is sec b tan b into derivative b. So sec 2 theta derivative is sec 2 theta into tan theta 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. So simplifying, tan phi value is r t theta by dr, that is its reciprocal. So r into d theta by dr is its reciprocal is take 2 is cancelled. So dr by d theta is a square sec 2 theta tan 2 theta upon r. Dr by d theta value is this, and its reciprocal is r upon a square sec 2 theta tan 2 theta. Then multiply by r. So r square upon this. So r square value is a square sec. So it is cancelled. So 1 upon tan 2 theta. So put the theta values 1 by 1. Theta equal to 0 here. Tan phi is infinity. Tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at a0. Then theta equal to 45. Tan phi is 0. But here we can't. Here there is a no point. So no need to check this. Theta equal to 45. Then theta equal to 180. Tan phi is infinity. So tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at A180. Now plot the. Now first 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 120, 150 line we have to draw. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Then here highest distance is A. So take this as a 60 mm. So this is A. So multiply this 60 mm to this. Again this is the 60 mm. For theta equal to 0, this is 60 mm. For 30 it is 1.4 into for 30 what we will get, 1 upon square root of cos 2 theta, that is 60. 1.41. So 1.41 into 60. A value is your 60 mm. 84.5 6. Okay. Here take A equal to 60 mm. So 1.41 into 60. 1.41 into 60 mm is 84.6. That is 85 mm. Here point is absent. Point is not. Point is doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. 1.41. That is again 85 mm and again 60 mm. So at 0 line it is 60 mm. 0 line it is 60 mm. This is your. At 30 it is 85 mm. 85 mm. Then point is not there, not there, not there, not there. On 150 it is 86 mm and for 180 it is 60 mm. So how to join this? This part and this part we will get only. And symmetry is about x-axis. Symmetry is about here it is. Symmetry is about all the conditions: initial line, perpendicular line, pole. So here, as by plotting the points we get this part. So symmetry is about initial line also. So we have to join. We have to same curve which is in upper side. Same curve we have to draw on the lower side. So this is the curve. So we have this final curve. The curve is symmetric. The curve is look like symmetric about x-axis, symmetric about y-axis, and also pole. So this is your curve. Now draw the tangents. Tangent perpendicular to the radius vector at A0. Tangent at A0 to the radius vector. So this is your radius vector and perpendicular to this. So this is your tangent. Then radius vector perpendicular to A180. So A180 is this and perpendicular to this point. So this is your radius vector. This distance is your radius vector. So to this, that tangent is perpendicular at this point. So this is your tangent. So hence this is tangent. The curve is smooth at this point. The curve is smooth at this point. So two tangents are there. So this is your curve. Next example is you can take as a assignment. Trace the curve r equal to a into 1 plus sine theta. So symmetry you can check here. So here sine of pi minus theta, I have used the sine n pi minus theta formula. Minus 1 raised to n plus 1 sine theta. Or you can use the calci and check that sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. So for that particularly put theta value equal to, so sine pi means pi is in the radian, so put theta equal to pi by 3, that is in radian. So if we get sine pi minus pi by 3 value is equal to sine pi by 3, then we can say that sine pi minus theta equal to sine theta. So this is the, here the highest distance is 2a. So take that highest distance is equal to 60 mm. That is a value is here 30 mm we have to take. So take this as a assignment. This is your curve. Then take this as a assignment. R into 1 minus sine theta equal to a. Here to find the tangent through tangent through other than pole, we have to use the product rule. So r into 1 derivative is 0 minus sine theta derivative is minus cos theta plus 1 minus sine theta as it is. R derivative with respect to theta is dr by d theta. So this is for your assignment. This is the curve. we could only, by plotting the points we get this curve, and symmetry is about perpendicular line, hence we have to join this part, so we get the parabola in this way. Take this as assignment. The downward side curve we will get. So here is a tangent. There is a tangent. Take this as assignment. This is your, you will get the straight line. So while plotting the points, and when we join these points, the points will be mismatched. But for that, exactly we have to take the distances. Here we get the highest distance is 2a, so this is your 60 mm. For that, a we have to take as a 30 mm. Take this, and we get here minus 30 mm. That is on 180 we have to take minus 30, means negative distance. How to plot that point? That is opposite to that 180, that is on positive x-axis, we have to take 30 mm. Minus 30 on 180 means 30 mm of opposite to that 180 line. This is your point. Which point? Minus 30, 180 point. And this is your last assignment example. Again we will get the straight line. This is again an assignment. Here the highest distance is 2a, so you can take 2a equal to 60 mm. That is a equal to 30 mm. So this is the next example. So we will see in the any one example we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.